No pressure at all. No pressure at all. So I've decided to do journaling every day.
Talk to the camera.
Every day. Uh, for like the whole of 2026. Like this is something I am promising myself to do. And unfortunately I already skipped yesterday. But but it doesn't matter. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Just not doing it one day doesn't take away all the progress. So I'm going to keep doing what I can and keep writing. So
What?
so actually I've also started to like reduce how much I'm using my phone and how much music I'm listening to, and I don't know, I'm just like trying to stay a bit more away from digital media. Like really there is a big difference, and I feel like I can hear myself talk so much more, like I can hear thoughts in my head. I can hear the things that I'm having conversations with myself so much. It's so fun. It's so fun. And I think more than anything, that's helping me build such a beautiful relationship with myself, because usually when something is going on, when there's something disturbing me, I just keep it like in the back of my mind. I do all the things that I can to sort of ignore it. It's just like in the back of my mind. But now, even if I cannot come to a solution, I know that I will figure it out because I'm talking to myself about it, and it's not, it's not in the back of my mind. It's there as a forefronter, but it's like I will figure it out when the time comes because it's okay. But I mean, what's the worst that can happen? So I'm always having such a nice conversation with myself, and I feel like that's really helping me. It's making me so calm. It's making me so, I don't know, so chill, like much more happier, to be honest, like much more happier. I think everyone should give that a try, to be honest.
The Trump.
Trump. Why would you call me Trump, Sagar?
I think everybody should give a try for like that.
When did Trump ever say that?
Go ahead.
So yeah, that's that. But it's fun. What else? What else? So that's something I've been trying to do. Also for this year, wow, this year feels like it looks so promising, to be honest. Like the vibes, the feeling. I don't know if it's because of the winter. I'm not gonna lie, because the winter makes you feel like you can get a lot of shit done, and then summer comes and then you're like, fuck this, fuck my life. But I really hope it's gonna like stay throughout the year. It's not just a winter thing, because I feel like there is so much to accomplish this year and so much to figure out this year. But I'm trying to sort of not be too, what do you say? Too worried about my timelines. I'm like, it's okay, it will work when it works at the time that it needs to work out at. So that's there.
Showing up is more important than working.
Yeah. Swami Sagar Anandam. By the way. Yeah, like the Swami has said, showing up is more important. So that's why I'm like trying to like journal every day. And also I need to start working out. This is so important to me. Like in the next 3 months I want to get like snatched, toned as hell. I want to get like my jawline back. It's literally like if I'm gonna spend on any kind of cosmetic surgery, it would be to get like snatched jawline. Like this is it. I'm not even gonna change my nose. I don't care about it. But the snatched jawline, I want to get back to that. So let's see. This is something very important. So I need to like start working out and eating healthy. So hopefully in the next 3 months there will be something.
Once again.